Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off the watch and removing bands so you can access the case safely. Heat the front glass to roughly 60 to 70 degrees to soften the adhesive. This prevents cracking when you lift the screen. Use a small suction cup, then slide a thin pick gently under the glass edge. Pry incrementally around the perimeter. Go slow. The display is fragile and cables run right under the edge. Once you get a small gap, stop and prepare to reveal the battery connector. Once the display is hinged open, locate and remove the tiny shielding screws exposing the display and battery connectors. Keep parts organized in order. You then pry up the display connector clamp and disconnect it so the screen won't short. This protects components while you work. Next, address the battery adhesive. Pull the adhesive tabs if present, or apply localized heat and use a nylon pry tool to lift the battery. Remove it slowly, because puncturing a lithium cell can cause heat or swelling. Place the new battery in the same orientation as the old one and reconnect its connector. Once connected, power the watch just long enough to verify it boots and charges. This confirms correct installation before sealing. Make sure to apply fresh adhesive or pre-cut strips so the screen sits flush. Reinstall shielding screws and carefully lower the display into place, then torque screws gently. If the watch doesn't boot or the screen lifts, try reconnecting the display, reseating the battery, or checking for debris.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.